First, orient the latch body so that the embossed arrow points up. Then, insert the latch into the prepared door. Rotate the latch bolt until it is facing the right direction. Now fasten the faceplate to the door with the provided screws. From the inside of the door, thread the extension screw into the latch body. Next, carefully orient the spindle so that the deep grooves are on the same side as the set screw of the knob or lever. Note the half of the spindle that has notches and insert the opposite end into the latch from the inside of the door. From the outside of the door, slide the spindle clip onto the spindle to tightly secure it to the latch. Then thread the blocking fastener into the latch body. Then, insert the outside backplate with the privacy hole closest to the door edge. From the inside of the door, insert the inside backplate into the door with the privacy hole closest to the door edge. Now fasten the two plates together using the provided screws. Carefully align the privacy hole of the rose with the blocking fastener. Then, slide the lever rose subassembly onto the spindle and press fit the rose tightly onto the backplate. Repeat this process for the inside subassembly. Now insert the privacy pin and thread it into the extension screw. Use the provided hex wrench to install the lever set screw, ensuring a tight fit. Then repeat this step for the outside lever. Finally, test both levers for smooth operation of the latch, and ensure that the latch bolt properly engages with the strike when the door is closed.